Here's an email from Queenie. Could you tell me what I can use to put a high gloss on a marble table? You know, because marble is such a soft stone, it can become cloudy over time. It's actually called blooming, and you need to clean it and polish it. This is a specifically designed cleaner that will do both. You can use it to kind of clean that marble up and then use it again as a polish to bring the shine back. It's going to look great.
Hi Lou, this is Cheryl from Bloomsbury, New Jersey, and last night I discovered that our ceiling light in our hallway was glowing in the dark. You know, the light was filled with moths and everything, so I went to check it out, and when I turned off the switch, the light was still on, but just very dimly glowing. So if you could tell us what to do to try and figure that out, something obviously is wrong.
Okay, so Cheryl, with that LED bulb, I'm going to assume that you have a dimmer on those hallway lights as well. And the issue might be is that you need to swap out the dimmer to a universal dimmer. With LEDs, if you've got older dimmers, it's circuitry inside there. And when you turn the dimmer all the way off, there's always a little bit of power that goes through the dimmer, and that's what could be causing that light to glow. Swap out the dimmer, no more glow, no more moths.
Hey Lou, this is Jesse. I'm wondering, we're here looking for our bathroom. We're thinking of renovating our bathroom. And I was wondering what you thought about the bathroom inserts, the shower inserts that they put in, whether they're good or not, or whether you're better off just tearing the whole thing down and putting regular tile.
Well, Jesse, quite frankly, it all depends on what your budget is. Now, certainly going the insert route where you go over a tub and do the walls with an acrylic liner is a less expensive way to go. I think for many, people think that, well, it's kind of a look that I don't want, but some of them look really nice. They have a texture to them if you spend a little bit more money, and you'd be surprised at how nice this really looks. And it's a more economical way, as I mentioned, to do this. But if you want to go the route of tile and a new base and all of that, that looks really nice. It just depends on how big of a check you want to write.